Hi my friends, Ian Stewart here again with a new video. This one is encouraging you to subscribe to our YouTube channel here at Buildabizonline for more information and some videos that you can add to your programs page, your capture pages, your splash pages. Okay, so what you need to do is click on this button here and take you over to the channel where it'll give you some instructions on what to do there. But what can you do with these videos? Let me just show you. Here is my programs page. So if I click on that and I'll just show you the programs page. I'll tell you what, let me go here now. In fact, I will open this up in a new tab because when I click on my home button, it brings you here. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add one of our new intro videos here. Okay, so we go over to YouTube. If I just click on there, click on that, it'll open up in a new window. Okay, so here are some of the videos to show you straight away. Okay, now I want to add this one. So what we do is just click on it, and then we stop the young lady in her tracks. Okay, so now what we do is click share, and we click embed, and then we click copy. Okay, so we copied that, and then we go over to our members area just here, okay, to our programs page. Come all the way down to add edit. Okay, now I want it on this one here. You can make a special one for it, but I'm going to add it above here. Okay. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to put this video. What I'm doing is left clicking there and I'm clicking enter just a couple of times, okay? And then what I'm going to do is this. I want the video to be in the center. So if this is the first time you've ever done a center tag and some of your programs or text is on the left and you want it on the right or you want it in the center, this is how you do it. Okay, so I want this video in the center. So I hold down the shift key and then I'll put open bracket center and then a close bracket. Then what I do is I'm going to do the same again. I'm going to go open bracket / center and then a close bracket. And then right in between, I'm going to left click there and I'm going to hold my finger down on the control and then click the V, and that will paste that code in there. And then all I need to do is click edit the program. Okay, so that is what we've got. So let me just show you my programs page now. Now, some may think, well, it's not changed, it's rubbish, it's useless, but you've got to refresh your page. So once you've refreshed your page, there we have it. And this young lady can introduce my programs page. Simple, absolutely simple. Now you can add these videos, you can add them on things like your splash pages or your capture pages or any websites. So that's it. That's all you need to do. So let's recap. Always best to recap. So what I'd like you to do today is to come over here. Okay, I want you to click onto that. And then I want you to subscribe. This will give you some instructions here, this one. All you got to do is make it bigger. Just click on there. You know what happens. You know how to make them bigger in YouTube. And just follow the instructions. And it will help you to get subscribed at the YouTube channel. So that's it. So thanks for listening, and bye for now. And let me just show you. I've got one or two here. Let me just show you this. You won't be able to hear it, but let me just show you this intro. It's got a little bit of music on it. Can you see this now? It's online. Internet marketing tool. Okay, so that's one of them. So if we go back now, we'll have a look at this one. So this is just another one. Okay. So this would look good, maybe on a splash page or something like that. There's a little bit of music in the background as well. But there we have it. So this is where we store all our videos over at the YouTube um, Buildabizonline channel. Okay, my friends. So this is Ian signing out now, saying please go subscribe and hit that bell and click all. All the instructions are there, and you will get notification every time I add another video. Okay, that could be useful for your existing business.